In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos from your iPhone that are in the most compatible format. So for images, that would be JPEG, and for video, it's sending in H.264. So what you're going to want to do is go to your Photos app on your iPhone or iOS device. You'll see a list of all your photos. Go to the photo or multiple photos that you want to send. So let's say I want to send this photo here, and then go ahead and go to the send option, or the square with the arrow pointing out of it as if you're sending that image. Select all the images that you want to send, and then you're going to see something at the top there underneath 3 photos selected that says options. Tap into options there at the top. So if we look here real quick, you can see that the actual file format that the new iPhones take the pictures is going to be HEIF. So if we go to information here, you can see this is the current format that the iPhone takes the pictures in, and it's the highest quality. But back here, when we're sending the images underneath options, we can go to most compatible. We can tap into most compatible. Now, when we do that, go ahead and tap done there. So now if I send those images to myself through text message or however you're sending or sharing the photos, I can actually tap into that photo. The very top, I can tap the arrow next to the word photo, and you can see that is a JPEG image, okay? And it's 4.2 megabytes, and I can save it to my phone, and it's now going to be much more compatible with a lot of the software that you're wanting to use to edit the photos. Again, the raw photo is taken in the HEIF format, or the high efficiency image file format, which is just a royalty-free container file format for storing files like audio, video, images. It's what the iPhone uses. But if you want it to play nice with other bits of software, you would want to convert it into the most compatible by selecting those there under options. So when you are sending those, you go here, go to options, go to most compatible, and you're good to go. Have any further questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.